So there's Maths game, which if you click on it, it has this cute little picture. And then there's different activities they can do. We would focus on the multiplication, and level 3 focuses specifically on 6, 7, 8, and 9 times tables. So they would select that and then they would begin. So if they get one correct, you get a simple little check mark. If you get one wrong, you get an X. If my student is thinking about what the answer would be, it would sit here, and the timer, they only get 10 seconds. So they would just sit here, and if they run out of time, as it's going to do, it would just simply move on to the next one, and they have a few seconds to get back in the game. If I were to complete all 10 of my questions, it would give me a little great job, and then it would give me a progress report, which later you can go back, click on progress, click on the specific one you wanted, so it'll tell you how long it took you to do it, the percent accuracy, and then it'll go into more details of how many you got correct, wrong, and missed, aka ran out of time. The only negative thing is that there's ads to this app. They're fairly quick usually. And so down at the bottom, it'll actually go into detail. You answered 2 incorrectly, so it'll give you the correct facts. Then it'll tell you your missed problem and what the correct answer would be. And that is the 1. If the teacher wanted to focus on a specific times table, they would go to the times table app. And then this one again has ads, unfortunately. And then you can choose a specific table you'd like them to work on. If you want them to work on their 6s, you choose 6s. Start quiz. Everyone would push start at the same time. They'd have 2 minutes to do as many as they can. So if they get it correct, there it is. They'd get points over here with the star. If they get it incorrect, they would just get a big no, X'd out sign. So they just keep going through, and they get all these points. Sometimes the faster you answer, you get multiple points. So the faster you do it, the more points you get. And it really helps with their fluency because they love to get those points. And at the end, they get a total score, so they can actually write down their score and record it to compete with themselves later to see if they can get a better score and get faster and faster. Almost done. The only downfall of this one is that you have to go through the entire thing, and it doesn't time out of a session, so students have to finish. And then down here, they'd get their score. So just like the other one, when they came to the end, they could screenshot it. Beep. Click on their screenshot, and they can choose to share it. There's no Dropbox on this application, but they could choose, and Dropbox would appear in one of the choices. Click on Dropbox, click on their name, and they'd be done for the day.